AIWU forms are already smart. But what if the AI could give personalized recommendations, not just based on what the user just entered, but also their history?
Imagine if your AI chatbot knew the client's plan, or your AI analyst had access to the user's purchase history. Today, I'll show you how to inject any user profile data directly into your AIWU form. Let's make AI truly contextual. This won't take long. Buckle up. We'll create a form for a fitness coach that gives personalized advice based on the client's current workout program. First, we'll build a basic form. Then we'll set up user profile data. Finally, we'll add custom code to transfer that data. We'll add fields current weight number and how do you feel today, text area. Also, we'll add a hidden field, text area, named user profile info. This will be auto-filled. Now we need to add the AI response output zone. We'll make it hidden until the response is generated, and also add a title and placeholder. Now let's add the submit section, which will look like a button on the page. Name it send, and add the prompt to its settings. In the prompt, we'll specify where the AI should get the data from, add the IDs of the required form fields, current weight, user's well-being, and user data from the hidden text area. We'll describe in sufficient detail how the received data should be processed. The final touch in configuring the form will be adding its shortcode to the page. Simply copy it from the configurator and paste it in the desired location on the page. Now we need a place to store the user's workout program. We'll use ACF or standard WordPress meta fields. Create a text field called current workout program in the user profile. In the rules, set show this field to user form is equal to all. Save our field group, and after that, the new field will appear in the user profiles. For user Milana, we'll fill it with beginner, 3x per week, focusing on cardio and light weights. To let the AI know Milana's program, we'll pass data from her profile into the hidden form field. Add a PHP.js script to your child themes functions.php or your own plugin. The script does the following: checks if the user is logged in, gets the value of current workout program from the profile, finds the last form field, our hidden user profile info, and fills it. Now, when the form loads, that field is automatically filled. Now let's test it. Log in as Milana. Enter, weight 67 kilograms and desperately want to sleep, to the how do you feel today field. Submit the form, and voila! Within a few seconds, we receive personalized professional recommendations that are based not only on current indicators, but on the client's entire workout history. This solves a key problem for both Milana. She gets individual advice without consulting a coach. And for the club, we have automated the first level of a personal approach. All this happens super fast and without the participation of a manager. This is the power of contextual AI in forms.
AIWU forms can be used in many business areas: sales, legal consultations, finance, and more. Wherever quick, high-quality advice is needed for a wide audience. By creating a detailed and thoughtful prompt tailored to your business goals and user needs, you can deliver real value to users. And you won't need to hire an AI assistant specialist or pay for external services.
That's how easy it is to add personalization to an AIWU form. Use this approach for any data, plans, history, preferences. Subscribe for more tips like this.